Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to Next Gen Motors and turn on the bell so you never miss the latest luxury vans, campers, and next-generation vehicle reviews from around the world. Today we bring you the incredible review of the new 2027 GMC Savana Limo Camper, a bold blend of luxury, power, and long-distance comfort designed for travelers who want first class, living on the road. Here at Next Gen Motors, we explore the future of automobiles, from performance machines to high-end campers, and this Savana Limo Camper is truly something special. The 2027 GMC Savana Limo Camper is built to feel like a rolling luxury suite. Under the hood, GMC offers a strong engine lineup, expected to include a refined 6.6-liter V8 gasoline engine and a heavy-duty turbo diesel option for serious torque and efficiency. Power delivery is smooth and confident, paired with an advanced automatic transmission that makes highway cruising effortless. Whether you're climbing mountain roads or cruising long highways, the performance feels stable, powerful, and reliable even when fully loaded. Inside this limo camper is where the real magic happens. The cabin is transformed into a premium living space with plush leather seating, ambient LED lighting, sound insulation for a quiet ride, and a spacious layout perfect for families or luxury travelers. You get a fully functional kitchenette, smart storage solutions, a fold-out bed, and a modern entertainment system with large displays and premium audio. Climate control zones ensure comfort in all seasons, making it ideal for cross-country trips. On the technology side, the 2027 Savana Limo Camper comes equipped with updated infotainment, smartphone connectivity, navigation, and advanced driver assistance features. Expect safety upgrades like lane monitoring, parking assistance, rear cameras, and adaptive braking to make driving this large camper easier and safer than ever. In terms of real performance, fuel efficiency is improved compared to previous generations, especially with the diesel option, making long journeys more economical. The suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing road imperfections while maintaining control and balance. Now let's talk about real pricing in the United States. The 2027 GMC Savana Limo Camper is expected to start around $65,000 for basic conversions, while fully loaded luxury limo camper versions can go beyond $90,000, depending on customization and features. If you enjoyed this detailed review and want more luxury campers, vans, and future vehicle content, subscribe to Next Gen Motors right now, hit the like button, and share this video with fellow road trip lovers.